Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We are back again in my garage with my Nissan 370Z, and today we're going to be talking about detailing. So on this car, I've used a couple different products to detail the car, but I will say some have pros and cons, so I'm going to show you the ones that work best for me and the reasons that I didn't go with another brand. So I'm going to go to my trunk here and show you what I have. So first things first, you want a quality microfiber towel. This one you can pick up from Walmart's, but there are many other great examples out there. Also, you want Chemical Guy's Synthetic Quick Detailer. So this detail spray is great for removing bird droppings, dust, all that kind of stuff. So I highly recommend this detail spray over others like Meguiar's. The reason for that is Meguiar's actually left streaks in my paint, and they're very difficult to remove. So I definitely recommend Chemical Guy's detailing spray. But when you're detailing, you want to make sure, like I said, you're using a quality microfiber towel, and you want to make sure you're not going in circles on the paint. So you want to do passes like this, just straight passes like that. So that is pretty much what I use for detailing the outside of the car. When it comes to the inside of the car, I use Chemical Guy's interior cleaner, the all-purpose interior cleaner that they sell. It smells great, it works great. Just make sure you have a quality microfiber towel, because if you get the really cheap ones, it'll leave little tiny microfiber hairs everywhere, like from the cloth, and it's not fun to clean those up. So make sure that you use a quality microfiber towel. Now when it comes to detailing your windows, I have a streak-free cleaner that is also from Chemical Guys that is in my trunk as well. But it's a streak-free window cleaner, and you use it on the outside of your windows here. You can also use it on the inside too. It is tint safe, because I do have tint on this car, so you can use it for that on the inside. But honestly, those are the three products that I use for this vehicle, all from Chemical Guys. I know a lot of people don't like Chemical Guys, but I've tried Meguiar's, and honestly, like, Meguiar's products just do not work for this car. They tend to leave almost like a residue or like a film. At least on this vehicle, that's the way it is. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong with that or whatnot, but they just don't work for me. So Chemical Guys is the brand of choice for me, at least for most of my products. When it comes to detailing, that's what I use. Also, fun fact, you can actually use the detailing spray to clean your wheels as well. So I use it to get some brake dust off my wheels. I haven't done it here lately, but it does work really well for that. Some of you may not have to worry about that, but for 370Zs with the sport package here, I do have to worry about that. I do get brake dust, so I have to use that spray to clean that off. So those three products are high quality products that you can find at even places like Walmart, so it's really accessible. But just make sure, and I emphasize this again and again, that you use a quality microfiber towel, because if you use a really cheap one, it will scratch the paint. It'll just not be a good day. You don't want scratches and swirls in your paint, trust me. But with all that being said, I want to thank you for watching today's video. Very short and quick one today, but we will make much more content with this vehicle, so stay tuned for that. But I'll see you in the next one.